Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi, and in this video we will see how to crop an individual layer in Photoshop. Here in this picture, I just want to keep this desktop image or desktop mockup and want to delete the whole. Now let's say I want to crop it. So let's say I select the crop tool, but what actually will happen, I will actually end up deleting the whole image with the background. So this is not I want. I just want to crop this individual layer. So for that, what we need to do is first of all select the layer and check whether this layer is a smart object or not. Now how we can determine that this object is smart object? Look for this icon which says that smart object thumbnail. Basically when we import our image directly, it is there as smart object. In such case you don't have to do anything, but let's say you already have rasterized your layer, then what you can do is make a right click and convert it to smart object. Now as you can see here, our layer got converted to smart object. Now we need to make a double click on it, and now we can make change independently. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to keep this desktop image, so I would like to crop it. So like this and like this. Now after performing operation, I can save this layer and now I can close it. Now here we can see I have individually cropped the layer by converting it to smart object. Now I can convert it back to rasterized layer if I want. I hope that this video might be helpful to you to know how we can crop individual layer in Photoshop. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.